close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Imagine breathing in and out through your heart. Your heart is the center of your being, the bridge between your physical self and your spiritual self. Breathe slowly and deeply. In for 6 seconds, out for 6 seconds. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, gently bring your attention to that space inside you where ideas are born. This space might not have a clear shape or color, but it's the place where you feel creativity bloom, where possibility piques your curiosity. Take a moment to connect with this space. Feel its warmth and openness, how inviting it is. Now, imagine a soft light glowing in this creative space, brightening and expanding with each breath you take. This light is your inner spark, the energy behind your creativity. A link to your soul. Trust that light is always there, even when it feels distant. With each breath, allow this light to fill you with a gentle, steady sense of inspiration and possibility. You get to follow your curiosity. You get to create. Let any thoughts that arise drift by like clouds. It's perfectly natural for your mind to wander. When it does wander, simply draw your attention back to the warmth and delight of your creative space. as the flame within you continues to expand, feel your creative energy warm too, knowing that you are open and ready for whatever inspiration may come. As you breathe slowly in and out, silently affirm, I am here, ready to create. I welcome new ideas, insights, and inspiration. Feel yourself open with a quiet willingness to explore. And rest here for a few moments. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the room. Place your hands over your heart. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the floor beneath your feet. Feel the surface you're sitting on. You are grounded, yet you are a creative vessel, moving through your imagination. Over the next 3 breaths, gently open your eyes and adjust to your surroundings. Take this quiet openness and creative energy with you as you begin your practice.